People Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. I don't know. It's a brand new week. Yeah, man, you also give thanks to life, give thanks to the uprising. Don't forget to pray, don't forget to eat right, drink right, think right. You know what I mean? And do the right thing. Think before you act. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I have a very distressing topic, you know. Boy, happened last week, over the weekend, and I said, John Oster, why Jamaicans, my fellow Jamaicans are so wicked, especially on the island out there, you know? Not everybody still, but John Oster. Yo, me I tell you, say, yo, my viewers and subscribers, RIP to the local G, you know. You see me? Yeah, you don't know. After the break, we are forward back to the story.
People Production.
DJ want it, your mixtape them want it, them hot. Is it? Lord say that.
Every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer, baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see the middle light, don't run from it. Now read it, every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer, baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see the middle light, don't run from it.
Chop, mass.
What take them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When me run the game, man a shot caller. Top baller, man a top baller. What take them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When me run the game, man a shot caller.
Run the world, but me and the world boss. Airplane mode, me stay in the first class. Air hostess just can't make me pass. Up in a me ears, no question I ask. She a check out the rolling, check out the clocks. Do the maths and she don't know the cost. And I me say like she catch rich craft. You don't know the shrimps, that's a bra for your bra.
Tell me why you pick up your foot with the fuck now, girl. Turn back way for the fuck now, girl. Skip out your leg for the fuck now, girl. Man a dancer, have a me not just now, girl. Cock up your foot for the fuck now, girl. Pop on your head for the fuck now, girl. Come on for that for the fuck now, girl. The chip up, have a me not just now, girl.
Hey, girl, me wa beat up Kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up. Hey, girl, me wa beat up Kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up.
Freedom of speech. Everybody sing freedom of speech. Everybody sing freedom of speech. None of them can stop Mafia from speak. When we say freedom of speech, we say again freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Well, the other one, we the
Some a bail and them one job. They use some a braid and them one job. They use some a river and them one job. Tell them not to breathe, you go road go rob. They use some a Delhi Green Lane one job. They use some a Oxford Lane one job. They use some a Loop Club Lane one job. Tell them not to breathe, you go road go rob.
full and a run over. The fire put them think it done, but it don't over. The cup full and a run over. Them so corrupt, but Jaja love and turn them over.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know, that was a 9 to 5 rhythm, you know what I mean? Various artists, 8 artists on this track with some nice track. You see me? You know, we have done Mafia Freedom of Speech, Dipmatic, Cup Full and a Run Over, Bad Song, we have Real Scale, What Now Girl, Tall Up, UK Presidential, you know what I mean? Kappa Shot, we have Dan Crazy with the Top Baller song, Big Song, you know, we have Low Voltage, sit down on it, you know what I mean? I know you have Imaric with the message, the youths them want job, you know what I mean? Yeah man, a greatness man. And we have the original Dan Youth, boom boom boom, you see me? Yeah man, so I don't know, say look out for it, you know, coming soon on all major platforms. Now my viewers and subscribers, this little G, 6-year-old star. Now I mention him name for, you know, personal reasons and I don't know YouTube and them thing. You see me? Yeah. See me I blur out all him face and you see me? Went missing in the district of Lionel, you know what I mean? District in Clarendon, somewhere in Clarendon. Went missing star. You see me? From about 1 PM in the day. Zine. And then, must say the next day, hours later, them find him pronounced. Yo, when I see it, when it was sent to me, I said, Jano, why? Why, you know? Why, me I tell condolence to the families, them, you know? Why mankind are so wicked? What reason they have to do that to the little boy, to the little, you know? The little G star, you see me? Why them have to do that? What reason? The man them out there star so wicked and cruel star. And the woman them too, you know. That's why I see Jamaica all a wash out so you know star, you see me? Yes. They don't get purge, you see me? People them too wicked, brother, man. And my sister, man. All them so wicked out the star. Yeah, vlog with vlog man going on, you see me? I'm a viewers and subscribers, man. I'm so upset, man, and Tom, yo. Jano star, I tell you, I can't find the words of his speaks, star. I feel scared, because I have my little granddaughter where I just 2, you know, star. Yo, I tell them people, star, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, Lion and Lioness. I see why Jamaica flood out. Sorry to say, you know, but it's why so much thing happen, landslide and all of them things. That the world is coming to an end. I must say all of these things, you have the prophet, you know, the lady, you know, and the gentleman, I'm sitting on Facebook, you know, preach and cry, I want to say, and get the vision, you know. So all of this flooding was gonna happen in Jamaica, you know. And all of this plague thing where them are going with the big sea, you know, are going to happen, you know. And see that came to pass. But every day I get up, I have to thank God for life, and you know, I give big grateful for where I have started. That's why I hear me always tell you, say, health over wealth. Because people with the richness and all of these things, and them passed away, left all light and gone, them family likewise. So we have to realize and be grateful for what we have in life, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. You know, there's a positive message, you know, coming from America. I say, Lionfoot, you know. Yo, I say, star, what reason that to do that to the little boy, star? You do remember me, Dujan, you know, RIP to Dujan, you know, 12-year-old youth. Well, he made him a football team from the age of 11. As he was just about to turn 12, them took him life. Just got a scholarship to go Excelsior High School. You know what I mean? Boy, I mean, I have to them out there in Jamaica, star. We need a big change, and the Prime Minister them to fix up and change up. The whole of them sell out. From the Prime Minister to the everybody on board, you know what I mean? The Parliament, everybody a sellout style. Because they're a part of the agenda. Jamaicans, we love you, you know, we love Jamaica. And right now, Africa me a pre, you know, Africa me thing there, you know. Yeah, man, Africa me a pre, you know. Because I go Africa on tour and I tell you, say, yo, I feel so safe and secure and loved. Not saying I'm not safe and secure in Jamaica, you know, because I get respect, you know, highly respected in Jamaica. You know what I mean? For my character, you know, as a footballer. And just being myself, being me, you know. Man of peace. You see me? But I say, Jano star. You know why them take the little youth lifestyle. 6-year-old. I don't know where to come off if a grievance or revenge or father get a jacket or what. I don't know. All me I say wickedness. Wickedness. I only hope I know some sick people for molest all the youth and then, you know, kill the youth. Because my people, you have some sick people in the world, you know. You have some sick people in Jamaica and likewise England, America, you know. You see them look normal, but you know, we are go through them brain, you know. We are go through them mind, you know, but them they out there in the pub with people, you know. In the public, you know. But them sick in the head, mentally disturbed. Enough of them disturbed from them small abuse and them grow with that mentality in them. You know what I mean? So them are going to do it back to somebody, a boy or a girl. Youngsters not care who old you be. We say human trafficking are going on. Don't feel like it stop out there, my people, it's still a go on, you know. So all my some fellow Jamaicans is another one from Lionfoot. Big up on yourself and stay safe, you know what I mean? All my kings and queens, and talk to your kids and tell them, say, don't take no lift and not have no ride from no strangers. Be careful of the taxi men them out there. Now it's desperate times, you know. Talk to your kids and tell them, say, you go to school, don't take no money from no strangers, don't take no ride. go to school, I will head straight. Anybody you say I follow you up or call you, all of them things there. Ball out loud. Yeah man, talk to your kids and tell them to ball out loud. You see me? Don't know it's another one for love, you know. I'm out.
Rastafari Birdlegs in ADE Prints and Design giving a vibration for the advertisement of ADE Photo Studio. Yes, we are here in 45 Royal Lane Market. ADE Print. T-shirts, photographs, hats, almanacs, CD, DVD, all different type of paraphernalia we print in ADE and assist the community. Almanacs, anything that you think of, we're here to assist in printing and design. Rastafari.